Happy Sunday. I hope you're having a great weekend. Today I am doing a kind of a deconstructed bloom, but a little different than the normal way to do it. I'm going to do it with house paint, or without house paint. I'm going to use just the acrylic paints. I'm going to use the Artist Loft and the Soft Body White. And I've got a little bit of satin enamels in it. And I'm actually going to change how I put the cell activator down. Instead of putting it down straight in the middle, I'm going to kind of like swirl it over top of all of the colors. I got the idea from watching one of Molly's paintings that she did. She did the same thing where she kind of swirled it around and then blew it out. So it's almost deconstructed bloom, but also kind of like a Dutch pour, the way it gets blown out. So you'll see when we get started, but I like the color choice that I've got here. So let's see how this plays out on the canvas. All right, let's get down there. Let's get started. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so what I've got today is a 15 by 30 gallery wrap canvas that's taped and push pinned on the back. I'm taking another stab at a deconstructed bloom, but I'm doing it a little different. I'm gonna lay out my paints, and then I'm going to, instead of putting my cell activator straight in the middle, I'm gonna kind of do it all over the paints, blow them out with my small blow dryer, almost like a Dutch pour, and then I am going to stretch it out. So my colors today, I have a kind of a deep purple I've mixed up. It's kind of like a dioxazine purple. It's a little combination of greenish blue from Amsterdam and the ultra marine violet and Creative Inspirations and Purple Lake. So it's its own personal, it's a made up color there. This next color is Manganese Blue from Amsterdam. Turquoise Green from Amsterdam. Iridescent Precious Gold. And Liquitex Basics and the Quinacridone Magenta. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put white out, and then I'm going to do two blooms and blow them out like a Dutch pour, and then combine them and tilt. So I'm going to pour out white here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this first one right here. Do the purple. Actually, let's do both at the same time. I want to give myself enough room to bring them together when I blow them out. So let's do it about right here. Blue. Turquoise. Gold. Magenta. A lot of purple. There we go. Now what I'm gonna do, I haven't tried this before. Instead of placing it all in the center, I'm just gonna circle it around. That's what I was afraid of. Okay. Way too much purple. See if we can course correct. Yeah, we got too much here. I'm gonna have to fix that. I'm actually okay with if it rolls over itself. So I've got a lot of paint on here. So let's go off this corner over here first. White down. So this is a happy little accident. I wasn't going for quite this look, way too much purple, but I was able to tilt it off. And I'm kind of digging the center, how it kind of breaks up the two ends. All right, I am going to clean up the edges, torch, and then I will bring you guys back in. All right, here we are with the wet result. So what a wild experiment this was. The only thing, if I was gonna change something, I would maybe try to fix the white negative space in the center, but I actually kind of like how it breaks up the two ends. So let me bring you in here. All right, we'll see this when it's dry. All right, guys, here we are with the dried result. Very happy with this. I love this color scheme. I was a little hesitant about that middle white section, but I'm actually really starting to love it. It kind of breaks up the two ends of color. I'm just happy with it so much. And the way it's celled up, satin enamels in the Artist Loft, great work. So let's bring you in here close. Just beautiful. All right, everyone, that's it for today's video. What a great piece. Love the lacing in the cells, but look at the color explosion down here and all of the white that's coming through, that satin enamels and the Artist Loft white. Really, really cool. Like I said, I was a little hesitant about this white, but I'm actually liking it because I like how it breaks up the two sections of color. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, but just really cool. It'll get some gloss varnish on it, maybe resin, I don't know, we'll see. All right, everyone, thanks for tuning in. I will see you on Wednesday. Next up is Kelly with Feral Art. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.